Friday, February 13th is today, 2026. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. The discussion about the potential partition of Nigeria is now a frequent topic, and it is beginning to make sense because a lot of people are not getting what they never expected that is going to happen in Nigeria. Now, I was on Facebook, that was yesterday. I saw what Dr. Ahmad Abubakar Sheikh Gumi posted, and it reads that secularism is dead. The United States is now all out and open in defense of Christians and Christianity. Netanyahu in defense of Jews and Judaism. Narendra Modi in defense of Hindus and Hinduism. Who is in defense of Muslims and Islam beyond nationalism. And I want to say that everything Gumi wrote here was correct until the last statement, when he wrote that who is in defense of Muslim and Islam beyond nationalism. There is nowhere nationalism is defending Muslims and Islam. What is defending them is Sharia. They are the people who are provoking people. Islamic extremists are the ones who are causing all these problems. But that is not the topic I want to talk. I want to talk about what he said. Secularism is dead. I made a video when I talked about democracy is not for Africa. That was some time ago. And in that video, I was trying to explain to people that what people termed as secularism is not what you think that secularism is. There is nothing like secularism in the concept of what you have been taught. You have been taught that a secular state is a state that accommodates all religion, all cultures, all values, but it must be limited to an extent. Secularism, they told us, is that if a country is a secular state, that everybody can come there, any religion can come there. Such country does not exist on earth. Ask China. Now, USA is supposed to be an example of a country that people would term as a secular state, because USA allow everybody, all these Western countries allow everybody to come do what you are going to do. But once you raise the bar of your religion against their constitution, they will let you know that, hey, it's not your country. America has been saying it, Redemont has been saying it, USA is a Christian country. They are going to defend Christianity. And so what? No, and so what? Now, you see the defense. America is now thinking that they are defending Nigeria. But the northern Muslims are thinking that America is just defending, the Christians. No, America is trying to defend the constitution, not the Sharia law, because Sharia law have no place in secularism. Now, this is where it makes sense. I have been telling people the reason why Nigeria should not be one country. I have been telling people why Nigeria should not be one country. People think that such discussion doesn't make sense, that we are giant of Africa, we've got to build this nation. Let me tell you, you see all these people agitating both Oduduwa, Biafra, Arewa, all these people. If you separate this country, you will see that these are core nationalists. These are the people who want the betterment of a nation, of their people. These are the people who understand the problem in Nigeria. You understand? You see what Sheikh Gumi said, the first sentence he made there, or the second, third, fourth, when he was trying to tell you that America is defending the Christians, what is it called? Indian is defending the Hindus. Now, imagine if Pakistan and Indian is still in the same country, Muslim Pakistan and Hindus Indian. There will be war every day. There will be war. There will be war. Civil war will be there. It will spread across the whole Middle East. I want you to get this concept right. Don't be deceived. There is no country that have 50% Christians, 50% Muslims on earth. It does not make sense. It doesn't work. There will be crisis, conflict of interest. Conflict of interest. Now, Sheikh Gumi have started crying out. Why is he crying out? We told them before that Nigeria cannot be one. If America come and kill the terrorists, fight the terrorists, then people will be thinking that America is fighting their religion, because, you see, many people from the north, according to Sheikh Gumi, Boko Haram is a blessing to northern Muslims. Many people from the northern Nigeria, they don't see these people as terrorists. We are talking about culture and values here. We are talking about cultures and values. And that is why they unleash many insurgents, Boko Harams, to teach people that Sharia is #1 law against Nigerian constitution. Now, let me shock you. Do you think that Boko Haram was lying when they came to Kwara State and they told the people that they have to obey Sharia law before Nigerian constitution? Were they lying? Nigeria constitution don't have power to amend Sharia law, but Sharia law can dictate against what is in Nigerian constitution. It is happening. So we can't be in one country. There is no magic. Let us continue to pretend. Let us continue to play what we are playing, but time shall tell. Time shall tell. No, there is no country that can do this. You see what is going on in Nigeria? If it happens in South Africa will still be in flame. If it happens in anywhere in the world, that place will be in flame. We have a lot of people who actually believe that Nigeria is an Islamic state and Nigeria should become totally Sharia state. They are in the government, they are in the Aso Rock, they are in the military, they are everywhere, and they are pushing towards it. But unfortunately for them, the emergence of Donald Trump as the 47th president of US is a game over for them. In the sense that even though Donald Trump is unable to finish this work about problem in Nigeria before he will leave office, he has created the awareness. They are now making the law. In fact, America is now making a policy about Nigeria. America is now making a policy about Nigeria. Don't forget that the bill that is before the Congress also shows that both France, UK, Hungary, and so many countries are going to place the same people as terrorists if the bill passes. I'm talking about Mieti and Fulani militia. And the names, they mentioned Kwakwanso, they did not tell you about 15 names now that have been drawn up. Adding names upon names through investigation. Like, there is no how this country will continue to be like this. The Muslims not will feel that America is against them. They have started feeling it. And this will lead to, the discussion about partition again. People will beg for Nigeria to separate. Like, they will come and say, oh, we don't need this country again. Let everybody go in there. We fight. We are tired. We are tired. Many people will start saying it very soon. Because the plans of all these things, whether you like it or not, no matter what people say about America, hate them, do what you want to do. But America has stopped, America will stop this bloodbath in Nigeria. They might not be the angel, when you are faced with two evil, you choose the lesser one. But America's interest in Nigeria is going to stop these people. But I know that so many Nigerians might feel like, oh, no, it's not important. What America is doing is just because of their interest. Before, Uncle, is it supposed to be your interest that people should continue to die because America have interest in Nigeria, or their interest should evaporate? They should stop it. America should not put them out. Then let people continue to die. What can you do? Everybody talking about all this issue, they don't have capacity to do anything to stop it. Yeah. Nobody have capacity to do anything. Look at it now. How many of them have visited IDP camp in Nigeria? How many of them have constructed houses for IDP camps in Nigeria if they care? How many of them? Last year, we paid school fees upon school fees. Though, I understand the feelings of so many people, okay? The people I love, the people I'm friends with, most of them said that America coming was not necessary. America is this, America is that. But I am telling them, if you are faced with evil, you choose the lesser one. America's interest in Nigeria is nothing but a good thing. It's nothing but a good thing. So, Gumi, what you said is true, apart from saying that nobody's defending Islam, apart from nationalism. That is a lie. But other things you said there, they are absolutely correct and true. And the only reason why such a thing will not repeat itself as you are writing, you will still write again, is that people should come together. This is not war. This is not crisis. Nobody is calling for crisis. Nobody is calling for problem. You see, if Nigeria is being partitioned today, you see Muslims in the north who are living in the south, they can still be there in the south. No problem. Nobody is pursuing you. People who are from the south who are in the north, if you feel to stay there, respect their law. Obey their law. Time without number, I used to tell people, my travel history sometimes. I've gone to so many countries that if I get there, I will obey the law of that country. Even though they say that country, you do not come out at so time outside. As far as you are in that country, you've got to obey their law. But in Nigeria, which law are we obeying? No, which law are we obeying in Nigeria? Is it Sharia law or Nigerian constitution or Canaan law? Let us put Canaan law to place. Okay? Let us put canon law to place. Since the Sharia law, they are talking about Sharia law. Let's cancel Nigerian constitution totally. Go with your Sharia. Let us go with our canon law. Christians still have their law. Let's go with our canon law. Every minute Sharia, 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 Sharia. Like, what hell is this? It is time for us to think peace. It is time for us to think, with a matured brain and common sense. We are not the same. We are brothers who are not the same blood. We are brothers who are not supposed to be in the same country, because we can never make a nation. It is only a nation that prospers on earth. I've seen the whole country on earth. It is only nations that prosper. Countries that are not nations can prosper. Heterogeneous identity is a big crisis to the people. The whole wars that had happened in the past, go and read history. Read what happened in the past. It is because of differences. What is the reason why when people, the Hausas in the north, when they welcome Osman Dan Fodio, what is the reason why he started conquering people? Difference. We are not the same. He feels that these people, let us conquer them, let us kill them and take over their place, because we are not the same. That is what is still going on till today. And someone will come out to tell you that let us build Nigeria. They are talking because of the money they are getting. They are talking about their interest, their money, their political power, protecting their wealth, protecting their business, protecting their illegal businesses. That is the reason why everybody is telling you, anybody telling you about one Nigeria. That is just the purpose. Oh, they don't promise me, sir, I will be council chairman. They don't promise me, sir, I will be governor next month. They promise me that I will be commissioner next month. So if we start talking about the fusion of Nigeria, it will not work again. No, let me go and take my own share. Black man, tell me why partitioning of Nigeria will not be a blessing to everyone. To the northern Muslim, to the south, east, west, the Yoruba people, everybody. It will be a blessing to everybody. Then we can start building. We can start building. We can start invention. We can start everything. And you will see the prosperity that will be in Africa. You will see how people will come to Africa to learn things. But now, we are not focusing on building hospitals, putting in technology. We have medicines. Africa is number one in medicine. But our cultural identity crisis is what is stopping the whole progress. Africa is number one in medicine. The other day, they were talking about snake bite in Nigeria, that there is no antivenom in the hospitals. I was laughing. I have been bitten by snake 2 times. One in the bush while I was setting trap in the farm. And one was, the snake was under the seat of the basket I was riding. I was very little then. What did I do? I know some medicines I will chew. One was, the one that bit me in the farm, I have to just rush and take razor. Put razor there. White tying the up to enable the venom to go out through the blood that will flow out. Then apply it with the leaf I know. Nobody even knows that snake, bite me. These are not something that people should be raising an alarm for, because the medicines are everywhere. But we are focusing on other values, other cultures. We have everything it takes to cure HIV. We have the medicines to cure cancer. But we can't develop this because everybody is looking into one Nigeria, one Nigeria. We need to build our identity. Partition this, to separate this country. Let us start. Let us start building. Anyway, it is what it is. Gumi, it is not time for you to start crying because, chaos, anarchy is ahead. A lot of things will happen, okay? These terrorists will meet their Waterloo. People will beg for Nigeria to separate. Time shall tell.